What is 0.02% as a fraction in simplest form? We can rewrite 0.02 times 1 over 100. 1% means 1 over 100. Now multiply top numbers together. 0.02 divided by 100. To divide a decimal by power of 10, what will you do? Just move the decimal from right to left equal to that number of zeros. Number of zeros here is 2. So decimal point will be moved from right to left 2 places. So 1 place, 2 place, placeholder 0. So decimal 0002. Now we need to convert this decimal to fractions. We need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just write the number you are getting, skipping this decimal. And for denominator, for every digit after decimal, you have to consider 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. So write 410. Now we need to reduce this fraction. How to do that? This is divisible by 2. This is divisible by 2. So we are getting this. So 1 over this. 1, 1, 1. So 1. Then add zeros. 1, 2, 3. Here 5. 1 over 5 times 1. 5. Add zeros. So the only factor between this and this is 1. So we can say this is the lowest term or simplest form.